Don't miss this wonderful 2-bedroom condo in the highly desirable Waterpark Place building just a stroll from Uptown Waterloo. This spacious 12th-floor unit offers panoramic views of the skyline and the treed surroundings, with a private balcony for taking it all in. Enjoy all the comforts of a formal dining room, bright eat-in kitchen, in-suite laundry, and a large primary bedroom with walk-in closet, complete with underground parking and a storage unit. The building amenities are second to none, including a pool, sauna, gym, billiards room, party room, guest suite, library, gazebo, waterfalls, ponds, and acres of grounds. Take advantage of nearby popular walking and biking trails, Waterloo Park, the library, rec center, shops, restaurants, and LRT transit, all within walking distance, while the expressway is just a 2-minute drive away. Exactly what you are looking for.